Hello everyone, dear friends. I haven't posted for a long time due to life events served in the army. Today I returned to my work again. Before this, I had made videos in Russian language, but today I decided to create a video in English. In myself I am interested in what it is, to try something new. Now I work as a civil engineer. And at our work we use the AutoCAD program. And I decided to create the video about this program in more detail. Our topic today will be about AutoCAD. We have been using the AutoCAD program for a long time now. But somehow more than most of us don't know. What kind of program is this, and who first created the Autodesk AutoCAD program? Personally, I didn't know about this either until today. And I decided to look for information on this topic on the internet, and created a small content on this topic. Our question will be, what is AutoCAD and who created the Autodesk AutoCAD program? What AutoCAD means? Computer-aided design software. AutoCAD is a computer-aided design software developed by the company Autodesk, hence the name AutoCAD. It allows you to draw and edit digital 2D and 3D designs more quickly and easily than you could by hand. The files can also be easily saved and stored in the cloud, so they be accessed anywhere at any time. Who created the Autodesk AutoCAD program? In 1982, John Walker and 12 other programmers pooled $59,000 to start Autodesk AutoCAD, and began working on several computer applications. The first completed was AutoCAD, a software application for computer-aided design, CAD, and drafting. AutoCAD had begun life as Interact, a CAD, written by programmer Michael Riddle in a proprietary language. Walker and Riddle rewrote the program, and established a profit-sharing agreement for any product derived from Interact CAD. Walker subsequently paid Riddle $10 million for all the rights. The company went public in 1985. By mid-1986, the company had grown to 255 employees with annual sales of over $40 million. That year, Walker resigned as chairman and president of the company, continuing to work as a programmer. In 1989, Walker's book, The Autodesk File, was published. It describes his experiences at Autodesk, based around internal documents, particularly email, of the company. Walker moved to Switzerland in 1991. By 1994, when he resigned from the company, it was the sixth largest personal computer software company in the world, primarily from the sales of AutoCAD. Walker owned about $45 million of stock in Autodesk at the time. Who works in AutoCAD? If you learn AutoCAD, you can work as an electrical engineer, architect, mechanical engineer, CAD drafter, CAD technician, civil engineer, or construction manager. What is AutoCAD used for? AutoCAD is primarily used to create detailed 2D and 3D drawings, plans, and models in a variety of industries, such as architecture, engineering, and construction. It allows designers and drafters to create precise and accurate drawings, using a range of tools and features. What are 5 benefits of AutoCAD? Introduction to advantages of AutoCAD. 1. Advantages of AutoCAD. 2. Accurate and reduced errors. A dynamic engineering model is the foundation of AutoCAD's operation. 3. Save time and money. 4. Easier data transfer. 5. Controllable. 6. Database for manufacturing. 7. Easier import-export of file. Is AutoCAD easy? Learning AutoCAD might appear challenging due to its vast range of commands and options, but with focus, time, and practice, it is manageable. While other CAD programs might seem easier to learn, AutoCAD's extensive command library, and its wide industry acceptance, make it a more beneficial skill to acquire. Who uses AutoCAD and why? Architects such as urban planners, surveyors, and landscape architects use AutoCAD to draw blueprints, models and floor plans for residential buildings, commercial and office complexes, etc. By using AutoCAD, they create 3D designs and use the inbuilt tools to detect, analyze and resolve structural flaws. Why AutoCAD is good? It's easier to drive in stop-and-go traffic. The majority of vehicles offer an automatic, The transmission shifts more quickly and smoothly. It offers better gas mileage. Is AutoCAD only for engineers? Other professions that can also use AutoCAD to streamline their workflow and achieve results faster include industrial designers and engineers, electrical engineers, plumbing, HVAC, and MEP designers.
What are the two main features of AutoCAD? 3D modeling and visualization are two main important features of the program. AutoCAD allows the modelers to create powerful 3D models, wireframes, meshes and surfaces using various 3D tools and commands. AutoCAD is a professional application with flexibility in design changes and an auto specification check feature. What are the types of AutoCAD? The different types of AutoCAD include AutoCAD, Windows, Mac, AutoCAD Electrical Windows, AutoCAD MEP Windows, AutoCAD Architecture, Windows, AutoCAD Map, 3D Windows, AutoCAD Mechanical Windows, AutoCAD Plant, 3D Windows, AutoCAD Raster Design Windows. Can I learn AutoCAD in 30 days? AutoCAD is the most used software in architectural, design, and engineering fields, depending on the instructor and individual. AutoCAD is pretty basic software to learn. For beginners, 4 hours a week for 30 days is sufficient to learn AutoCAD.